Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot. We're back again to do another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this guy, the Roomba S9. This robot is awesome and I can't wait to dive right into this box. So let's stop talking and let's start digging. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice right when you open up the box is the Roomba S9 right on top. But we're going to take a closer look at this. Okay, now that we got the Roomba out of the box and we can take a closer look at it, let's go over the entire thing. So first up, the clean button here. By simply tapping this, you can start, stop, or pause your robot. There's absolutely no programming required here. As we flip the Roomba over, the first thing you're going to notice here are these clear sensors that go around the edge of the robot. These are cliff detect sensors. These are going to prevent your robot from falling down the stairs. And with a specially designed corner brush, this is going to sweep debris away from the edges and corners and down into the path of the Roomba's suction power. And with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, know that these are great for picking up both large and small debris items like dirt, dust, and especially that pesky pet hair. Oh, these dual multi-surface rubber brushes are also tangle-free, so know that that long hair and pesky pet hair will not tangle up around these guys. And with an auto-adjusting cleaning head, know that your Roomba S9 is going to get to the ideal height no matter what surface it's on. That includes area rugs, laminate, wood, tile, or just carpet in general. Know that your Roomba is going to adjust automatically and keep your floors clean all year round. Okay, we're back, and we just got to see what was under the hood of the Roomba S9. How awesome is that robot? I know. But we still got more to go in the box, and there's only one way to figure out what's left, right? Yeah, let's keep going. So first up, just clear cover. We'll set that off to the side for now. Next up is the charger for the Roomba S9 itself. This is what's going to allow the Roomba to keep its battery charged all day long until you're ready to use it as. We got the packlet to the robot itself. This is going to contain information on how to set up and register your robot. Got a box full of accessories here. First up, we've got one extra high efficiency filter. These filters can trap in 99% of dog and cat allergens. One extra corner brush. Last but not least, we got the power cord to the charger itself to make sure your Roomba stays charged. Okay, this is everything that comes in the box with the Roomba S9. This robot is awesome and perfect for your home. But if you want any more information on it, please check out the other videos we have on it as well. Thank you for watching, everyone.